Now this is just a quick fun video about using or some uses of the peelable glass paints. Nothing serious about this video. If you're only into very serious glass painting, you're probably best to skip this one. So what have I been up to? Well, over the last couple of weeks I've been doing lots of numbers and letters, etc. in the peelable glass paints. Let's show you what I've done. Ones like these. Now I don't know if you can see, but I have filled in any gaps with clear. Just makes them a bit more solid and means they will last a little bit longer. Although this one hasn't been off before. There we go. So if you can see, the middle of that D is actually solid. There some of the letters. There's some more letters and a few numbers. I've been doing these in the normal way, putting the design inside one of these clear sleeves, and then outlining and painting, leaving them to dry. So why have I been doing this? Well, quite simply, we know these go on non-porous surfaces. That includes doors, windows, fridges, etc. So you can use them for little messages. If you've got a child, you can use them for sums, or you can use them to teach colours. Quite good with the colours because you can obviously make the word up yellow of yellow letters and the word red of red letters, etc, etc. You can also have even more fun. Here we go. I've made myself a little tic-tac-toe noughts and crosses board. I've actually had it on the fridge. And you can play your game. Sorry, some of these haven't been off yet. There we go. You can play your game on the door or the fridge or a window. Don't know about car window, it might get in the way of the view. No one's going to win this one, are they? No. Okay, just little ideas what you can do with the peelable paints other than do your normal glass painting. As I said, this was going to be a short video. Hope this gives you some ideas. Happy crafting.